Right. Happy morning to all. Yesterday we are seeing that oxides of nitrogen preparation methods, what is the nature of oxides and what is the oxidation state they will exhibit. That and all yesterday class we have seen. So let us see that today we are going to discussing about structures of oxides of nitrogen. Structures of oxides of nitrogen today class we are going to seeing there. So this is very important structures. Everyone must and shouldly have to practice these structures. So public exam and all more number of questions and all they are asking from this resonance structures relevant questions. So this is very important. So after this class completion, just everyone you have to practice these structures, resonance structures. So before going to seeing that, you have to learn about here valence electrons. So if you are taken here nitrogen element you are taken. So nitrogen, what is atomic number means 7. Right. So how we are expressing that electronic configuration means 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So that means totally how many valence electrons is presenting here? Nitrogen element means totally 5 electrons is presenting. If you are taken here oxygen atom, you are taken. Oxygen atom, how many lone pair of how many electrons, valence electrons is presenting means 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 is presenting. So how many valence electrons is present here? Oxygen atom means 6 valence electrons is presenting is takes place. So that means the number of electrons, how many electrons is presenting for nitrogen and oxygen means nitrogen having 5 electrons is presenting, oxygen element is having 6 electrons is presenting. Right. So just one more thing you have to keep remember. So nitrogen element totally maximum how many bonds is existing means either it will show single bond is existing or double bond is existing or triple bond is existing. So maximum how many bonds is existing from nitrogen or nitrogen oxygen or else here nitrogen or some other element. Maximum nitrogen element how many bonds is forming is takes place means double bond, single bond and triple bond. 3 bonds maximum it is forming is takes place. Next, if you are taking your oxygen atom, you are taking oxygen atom, oxygen to oxygen or oxygen to some other element. So maximum how many bonds is forming means one is single bond and another one is double bond. So that means totally what a maximum how many bonds is oxygen atom is existing means only 2 bonds. Right? So nitrogen how many maximum number of bonds is existing means triple bond is existing there. So this resonance structures and all how we are expressing means so due to because of here valence electrons. So valence electrons depending upon the number of valence electrons we are going to representing these resonance structures. So the resonance structures nama eppadi represent pannalam anu ketana you have to represent like double headed arrow symbol. So the double headed arrow symbol what is representing means resonance structure or else we can say that canonical structure. Resonance structure or else we call as canonical structure. So that means the 2 structures or more than 2 structures in this resonance structures what happen means equal energy is present and equal stability will be presenting. Equal energy and equal stability is presenting. So let us see that now we are going to seeing that oxides of nitrogen. So first compound is N2O molecule. First compound is N2O molecule we are going to seeing there. So that means number of atoms how many is there means 3 atoms are there. So 2 nitrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom is presenting there. So how we are representing that resonance structure means just look at here once. So N double bond N double bond O. N double bond N double bond O. Here how many lone pair of electrons is presenting means oxygen is having two lone pair of electrons, and nitrogen is having here one lone pair of electron is presenting. Nitrogen is having one lone pair of electron is presenting. So if you are taking any element you are taken in this resonance structure means maximum how many electrons is presenting me 8 electrons is presenting. So they must attaining here octet electronic configuration. Octet electronic configuration they must exhibit. Octet electronic configuration must be exhibiting this takes place. So let us see that. So these two nitrogen atoms if you are taken means first nitrogen atom how many electrons is there once all of you count it once. Whether it is satisfying or not octet electronic configuration, let us see that once again. So this first nitrogen atom you are seeing there. So first nitrogen atom how many electrons is present in me, you have to count it like this. So two bond pair of electrons is presenting and one lone pair of electron is presenting there. Two bond pair of electrons and one lone pair of electron is presenting. So that means total number of electrons how many means each bond pair is containing 2 electrons. So 2 bond pairs is nothing but totally how many electrons? 2 bond pairs is nothing but this nitrogen atom is having totally 4 electrons is there. So 2 bond pairs is nothing but totally 4 electrons is there, and lone pair of electrons how many is there? 4 electrons is there. So 4 plus 4, so totally how many electrons is there? 8 electrons is presenting there. So this first nitrogen atom what happened, it will shows here octet electronic configuration it will exhibit. Let us see that second nitrogen atom. Second nitrogen atom totally how many electrons is there means totally there are 4 bond pair of electrons is there. So each bond pair how many electrons is there? 2 electrons is presenting there. So 4 to 8 electrons is present for second nitrogen atom also. If you are taken the here last oxygen atom you are taking there. Oxygen atom how many bond pairs is attaching means there are 2 bond pair of electrons is there and 4 lone pair of electrons is presenting there. So that means totally electrons how many? 8 electrons is presenting. So that means if you taken any element during that resonance structure means they must contain here 8 electrons must be presenting is takes place. That means octet electronic configuration is attaining is takes place. Just what is the difference is there among these two structures means the number of atoms must be the same. The resonance structures is nothing but the number of electrons must be the same and the number of bond pair of electrons must be the same and the number of lone pair of electrons also same. Just what will be difference is takes place means the location of the electrons, the position of the electrons alone it will be differing is takes place. Right? The position of electrons alone it will be differing is takes place, but the number of electrons should be the same. Lone pair and bond pair of electrons and number of atoms also same is presenting is takes place. Just what will be difference is presenting means location of the electrons alone it will be difference is presenting. So this is about here resonance structures of N2O molecule. Next one see there, let us see that NO molecule. So NO molecule how we are representing the structure means N double bond O, like that we are representing. Here oxygen atom how many electrons is there means here 5 electrons is presenting, and nitrogen atom what happened, 1 lone pair of electron is presenting. So this NO molecule also it will participating for this resonance structure, right? So nitrogen atom here how many electrons is participated? 4 plus 2 totally 6 electrons. 4 plus 2, 6 electrons is present. Here oxygen atom, how many electrons is there? 5 plus 4, 9 electrons is presenting, right? 5 plus 4, 9 electrons is present. So totally how many electrons is there? 9 plus 2, 11 electrons is presenting. That means nitrogen is having 5 electrons, oxygen is having 6 electrons. 5 plus 6, totally how many electrons is there? 11 electrons is presenting. So this is a resonance structure of here nitric oxide. Next one, see there, N2O3 molecule, dinitrogen trioxide. Dinitrogen trioxide structure. Now we are going to seeing that. So N2O3 molecule, there are 2 nitrogen atoms and 3 oxygen atoms are present. 2 nitrogen atoms and 3 oxygen atoms are present. Let us see that. Structure how we are representing means N, single bond N, double bond O, single bond O. So here how many lone pair of electrons is there? Mean 2 oxygen atoms is having 2 lone pair of electrons is there. 2 oxygen atoms are having 2 lone pair of electrons, and another oxygen atom is having total 6 electrons is presenting. 6 electrons is presenting there, right? So this is here N2O3 molecule resonance structure. So that means 2 nitrogen atoms attaching oxygen atoms, or what happens, same plane is presenting there. If you are taking here another resonance structure means the double bond position, what happen, you are shifting is takes place, downward direction you are placing there. Just what happen, position alone it will be changing is takes place means that is called resonance structure of N2O3 molecule. Similarly, so remaining all these compound like NO2 molecule, N2O4 molecule and N2O5 molecule, all these structures and all, what happen, number of electrons must be same, number of atoms must be the same is presenting. Just slightly changing is observed at this location of the places. So this is about here resonance structures of oxides of nitrogen. So next one, see there, and this bond parameters also, it is not that much very important. So especially these oxides of nitrogen very important, right? So everyone must and should have to draw these structures, and number of time you have to practice, then only we can get an idea and how to draw these structures and all. You can easily understanding that. Right. So once what are the points we are discussing there, once again overall I will explain. Let us see that. First thing is, you have to keep remember total number of electrons, how many electrons is presenting there, how many electrons is presenting there. And next one is how many number of atoms is presented. And next one is how many bonds maximum the elements is existing, either double bond is existing or triple bond is existing or single bond is existing. That number of bonds also you have to count it that, right? And the number of lone pair of electrons must and should you have to place it carefully. Electrons and all carefully you have to mention that, because sometime what happen, electrons and all they are forgot to representing means entirely the structure and all it will be wrong. If you are representing properly the number of electrons means it will be correct. If you are represent number of electrons properly, if you are not representing means overall the structure will be wrong, right? So be careful while drawing the structures and all, resonance structures and all. Right. So next one, see there, NO2 molecule, nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide structure. Now we are going to see. Let us see that. So nitrogen dioxide, that means one nitrogen atom is there, two oxygen atoms is present here. One nitrogen atom and two oxygen atoms is presenting there. So how we are expressing this structure, let us see that. N right, N double bond O, single bond O. So this oxygen atom, how many electrons is there? 6 electrons is presenting. This oxygen atom, how many electrons is there? 4 electrons is presenting there. Right? First oxygen atom, how many electrons? 6 electrons is there. And second oxygen atom, how many electrons is there? Means 4 electrons is presenting. So this is for NO2 molecule. So each atom, how many electrons is there? 8 electrons must be presenting there. Either oxygen atom you are taking or nitrogen atom you are taking. Whatever the atom you are taking, the number of electrons should be what happen? 8 electrons must be presenting. This takes place. Right? So this is about here resonance structures of your oxides of nitrogen. And tomorrow class we are going to seeing about here nitric acid. How can you manufacturing of nitric acid? Tomorrow class we are going to seeing there. So thank you very much. So tomorrow we will meet you once again. Thank you all once again. So see you all.